Hello guys, it is your guy MKFX and I am here again to show you my setups on gold. As you can see, I also have a gold setup and I'm going to be showing you how I have this sell on gold, why I'm expecting it to sell. That is exposing my gold strategy again to you. If this is your first time watching my video, please hit the subscribe button, like and subscribe. Not subscribe, ring the notification bell. Also do well to share the video so you can always get my videos when I post them. So, guys, looking at this, it really looks like a buy, like higher high, higher lows. But why am I selling? Why am I selling when I'm seeing an uptrend? All right, guys, here is the time for me to show you the reason why I sell. Let's go straight to the analysis, guys. So I'm just going to take away all drawings, right? Now, look at this. You have an uptrend, but why am I selling in an uptrend? Okay, so let us go straight to our analysis, right? As we all know, I use the 2 hours, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly time frame for analysis. But as for gold, as you all know, I don't go right up to the monthly for my analysis. I'm just going to start by weekly, okay? Now, what is the weekly time frame saying on gold? What is the weekly time frame saying on gold? All right, on gold, on the weekly time frame, we can see a clear uptrend on gold, like gold is fucking buying up. But why am I selling? That's the question. That's the question. So on this time frame, there is no key zones marked, so I'm just going to go to the daily to see if I can have more information. More information. Now, number one information from the daily time frame here, guys, take a look at this. You see, gold was really buying up, but at this point, gold had to lose some pressure. Remember, candlesticks are always powerful. You see, at this point, gold sold, like sellers were really there at this point, like sellers really had that pressure, okay? Like they really had that pressure selling down. Now, aside that, what is it according to analysis, be it ICT or SMC or price action, what can really make the market to sell from here? As you can see, gold is at its highest level. So from the daily, there is no much information. So let us go down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, guys, to the 4 hour time frame, if we look at the present information, we are going to see that gold is buying. But why was gold buying? Guys, let's come back from here. Let's go back to the previous data. Let's go back to previous data. All right. Okay, you see from here, gold was buying, right? Gold was buying from here. And what happened at this level? You're going to see that gold was forming a series of, let us just take it from here. You see, gold was forming a series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then it was unable to form a higher high, but rather formed a lower low, right? And at this point here, you see, it started forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, let's stop from this level now. Looking at this, guys, what happened at this point? You see, we had a break of structure, guys, at this point. A change of character, sorry. We had a change of character at this point. You see that at this point because we were on an uptrend, right? Starting right from down here, you see, guys, we were in an uptrend and having a series of higher highs and higher lows. You see that, guys? So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Instead of a higher high, it simply gave us a lower low, lower high, lower low, and it started with that downtrend, having this break of structure. So, guys, when we have a break of structure, what is the next thing we are expecting in the market? Let me clear up the charts. What is the next thing we are expecting in the market, guys? When we have a break of structure, we expect the market to come back to the last high, test either the order block or the fair value gap it left on that high before falling, right, guys? So this was the last high here. I'm going to consider this as the last high, and the break of structure, I'm going to consider it to be this one, right, guys? I'm going to consider the break of structure to be this one. The change of character, sorry, I keep calling it break of structure. These words. Okay, now this is the change of character here. So it got broken from here. What is an order block? An order block is the last opposite candle that was formed before the change of trend. The last opposite candle that was formed before the change of trend. So where's my order block? Where's the last opposite candle? This is the last buy candle. This is my order block, right? But this order block is too big now. So I'm going to consider the fair value gap, which is there now. What is the fair value gap? The fair value gap is what some people call imbalance. At this point, you see the market, this candlestick, the upper wick of this candlestick didn't connect with the lower wick of this other candlestick. Let me zoom it so you can see well, guys. Let me zoom it so you can see well. At this point, you see this upper wick did not connect with this lower wick of this other candlestick. You see, we always use three candlestick to get a fair value gap. So I have this 1, 2, 3, and you see this candlestick, this one, the third one, and the first one, the lower wick of the first one up and the upper wick of the third one, it didn't connect. That means there's an imbalance here, which means the market is going to come back here to balance the market. Take, for example, for this one, right? This 1, 2, 3, you see, the market here is balanced because this candlestick and this other one are connected, you see. So there is nothing that the market is going to respect from here. So definitely, after this change of character, the market was to come back here and retest this before selling now back to the downside. That is what I have for the past information. Now, let us look at what is happening presently in the market. So we are just going to draw this fair value gap. A fair value gap is just, I'm just going to take this high, okay, and this lower wick here, and this lower wick here. Oh, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this, but this, okay, and this lower wick here. Let me see. Okay, so what I'm expecting is for the market to come in between this space. You see, this space here, when the market touches this space, it's going to sell back down to the downside. That's my analysis. I don't know what is happening in front there. You see, I only know what is happening here in front, right, guys? So this is gold, remember? So I'm just going to scroll down onto this information. Then look at what is happening. Gold just tested that. You see, this candlestick is inside. It might push right inside again, but no worries, guys. So let me draw that with this. Let me just take this here, fill up the space with this so I can get a good stop loss. You get it, guys? So I can get a good stop loss. So that is it. That is it, guys. Yeah, here is it. I'm just going to take off this and this. So guys, this is it here. So that is my fair value gap, and I'm expecting gold to respect this. Don't mind about the buy pressure, guys. Don't even bother about this buy pressure. I don't care. You see, what I am is, this is it. So today is what's the date of today? What's the date of today? Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, the 15th of May. Wednesday, the 15th of May. So if you're watching this video today and gold is still here, seize this opportunity to sell gold. You get it? Sell gold as from this day. And this was my last flow, so that will be my take profit. It's a swing trade, guys. It's a swing trade, and you're gonna enjoy this, like, trust me. And my sell from here, my stop loss just above here, something like few pips, it's gold, so you have a tight stop loss, something like that, and then you draw down. So my TP, it's just gonna be here. You see that, guys? You see this? You see this? You see this, guys? You see this? 1:8. And this is about 5,000 pips, guys. This is about 7,000 pips, guys. A lot of money lying here. A lot of money lying here. So, guys, if you're watching this video now, seize this opportunity to take the sell. If you're watching the video after when gold is going, let me show other sales opportunity. When gold break this level here, that's for the future. Those that are going to see this video late. When gold break this level here and then retest, you can take a sell with your stop loss here. And if you see it, when it breaks this other level, here, you can take the sell with your stop loss above here. All the TPs should be here. Or if you meet it when it just breaks this level, you can also take a sell from there, your TP here, and your take profit here, and another long sell when it breaks this level and retest. So, guys, that is it. That is it. This is my analysis for gold, and we pray it works out well. And for those that are taking the sales from here, If it breaks from here and retest, take another entry. It breaks and retest, take another entry. It breaks and retest, take another entry. So you can make more money. Once more, it is your guy, MKFX. And if it's your first time watching my video, please hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Please help me promote my page. I beg you, because that's what gets me motivated. And for all those that have always been there on this channel, shout out to you all, guys. One love.